welcome back to my channel. I am Diana and today I am doing a try on haul. I am gonna show you all 4 different outfits with one typical makeup look which I am wearing already, and I'm gonna show you all like different, like western, maybe Indian, maybe a formal look and a normal casual look. So yeah, 4 looks in one makeup and very simple with minimum accessories. So let's not waste much time and get going. Hey guys, so this is my casual look which I'm going to show y'all. This is for especially for winter. Okay, so I'm wearing a nice brown maroonish sort of woolen top. It is nice long sleeves, slightly loose for me, but don't judge me. Winter, something cozy, something nice is always good. It has a nice high neck which is like really good. It keeps your neck nice and warm since it's long sleeves. The sleeves are also nicely covered. So yeah, this is a nice simple look for a night out or a get together with your friends. So yeah, I'll quickly show you the entire look. I have just tied my hair up, nothing much, little bit of makeup. I have worn a nice pair of pearl earrings because pearl goes really well with the wool. And yeah, my top I have paired it up with a nice watch of Lacoste. Yeah, and I have worn a nice pair of blue jeans the bottoms, and I have worn nice boots, and I like to have this one makeup. So golden goes really well with browns and maroons. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the entire look, and just to add a little bit of difference to that look, I also have a nice purse here which I can easily wear, and I'm ready to go out. So this is my typical casual look. So yeah, let me give you an overall look. Hey guys, so this is my typical formal look. I'm not very good with formal, I don't look good with formals, but yeah, this is a simple typical formal look of mine. So let me quickly tell you what all things I have worn up and took this like typical formal look. So I've been wearing a white shirt, a nice body fitting white shirt, and it's slightly deep, so if you don't like deep necks you can just cover it up. On top I'm wearing a nice long sleeves jacket. You can even wear suits. I'm not going to judge you all on that, but yeah, this is like this has like slightly funkiness on the side. It has this silk thing which has a pocket itself. So yeah, very simple, classy, nice stretchable pants. These pants are from Peacocks, so I'm going to bring one as well. And with that I'm wearing a nice pair of heels, square heels, whatever you call it. So yeah, simple heels to give me a simple formal look, which is like really good if you are going out for a interview or a formal meeting, or where you need to look like really presentable. So I think so yeah, this is like the perfect look. And you can also pair it up with a nice bag. And so here you go, if you are having a formal meeting though you need to like carry a lot of documents, so like yeah, this is a good size of bag that you can carry. You can have all your documents, you can have a bottle of water in it, and other accessories like your mobile phones and chargers and your headphones, whatever. So yeah, make sure that if you carry a big bag, it's always good and advisable. So yeah, this is my simple look, which is like not completely formal but semi-formal because it has nice work on it. Even my pant has a nice zip on it, and it has a huge pocket, though it doesn't look like huge, but yeah, you can see my entire hand goes in. So yeah, it's a huge pocket. If you haven't seen my last vlog, you make sure you check it out, that I have explained more about the pant. Regarding my hair, I've kept it very simple. I have put a pony because I like to tie my hair up, because when I'm at work or stuff like that, when like serious stuff, I don't like my hair falling all over me. So yeah, this is like typical nice good look, formal, which you can rock up with. So yeah, if you are someone like me who is slightly on the chubbier side, slightly has tummy, so make sure you take something like this look, which will look really nice on you, and rock it up. So let me give you a back look. So this is how it's going to look at the back. nice, simple, not too many accessories. I've kept it very simple. The neck is stiff, so I haven't wore anything in my neck. So if you want, you can wear a nice small chain with a small pendant in it because you don't want it to make habits. Yeah, this is my formal look, and I can't look serious. Guys, so this is my another typical Indian look. So yeah, I have kept this look really simple. I'm wearing a nice anarkali suit, which you can see looks beautiful. Just love the color. Let me quickly give you a glimpse of this. So yeah, this is how it looks. It has a nice border with golden in it. It looks really nice with lace. And then I'm wearing a churi pant, which is a set which comes along. And along with that, I'm wearing like wedges, which are glittery. When you wear like traditional Indian wear, you need to wear it slightly heavier if there is like special occasion like Diwali. So this wedges makes really justice to it. They keep it nice and simple yet elegant. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now let me quickly show you the accessories that I've worn up. I've kept it like really simple. They have like this clutch sort of a thing, which sort of a thing which they put it on the hand, where you can put like a little bit amount of cash or credit cards or mobile. But unfortunately, I can't show you that because I don't have it here. Though if I was in India, I would have like completely given you a full look of it. Nevertheless, let me quickly show you. Here I'm wearing a nice bracelet. It is like plain silverish sort of a thing because this look is like mixed with silver and golden and pinks. So yeah, and then I'm wearing like really heavy earrings with that. These are like not heavy, they look heavy, but they are like really light, so it is not gonna hurt my ears, so don't worry. So yeah, this is how they look. So when you typically wear Indian wear, you need to have like heavy neck piece or heavy earrings because that makes the look complete. So yeah, I think I've done justice to this look with heavy earrings and kept it like really simple. With the dupatta around, you can have it whichever way you want. But yeah, for this season or this festive season, I can say this looks really nice, very pretty. I'm loving the look. So this is my typical western look, which is like typically for evening wear. Like this is a typical gown which you can wear for like special occasions, date night or family outing, weddings and stuff like that. So let me not explain much and let me give you a full look of this. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is basically a navy blue colored dress. I picked it up from, I believe, yeah, I picked it up from Marks and Spencer's, and it is nice dress which has this nice frill thing which covers like bit of your tummy as well. And then I'm wearing a nice pair of heels, black heels. So I have other shoes, but this is what I found for now, so I just picked it up. Here you go. Always make sure that when you wear long dresses, make sure you wear high heels so that the dresses don't rip up your legs and you don't trip and fall. So here you go, this is my entire look. I've kept it very simple. As you all know, I'm not a heavy jewelry kind of a person, but yeah, when it is necessary, I wear it. So I have literally made this look heavier with this hairband. Now if you have seen my previous vlog, I have mentioned that I picked this up from Primark. So yeah, this is from Primark. Then I have worn a nice bracelet with that, and this one is from I believe Debenham. Yeah, I believe this one is from Debenham. And then I'm wearing like a very simple earrings, pearl. I've given a pearly look, rich look, and these I have picked up randomly from which store I don't know. But yeah, so this is like my complete evening look. And yeah, I'm also wearing a simple ring with that. Here you go. And this is my typical look, which I've kept it really simple. These were the 4 looks which I tried today. I hope you all have liked my looks for the day. I really wanted to go out and shoot them, but then it started raining, and I have like certain days where I can shoot and other days I can't, so I couldn't help it out, and I had to shoot it indoors. Due to that, I know the video is not going to be that interesting, but I hope you all have liked it and you all have liked my looks. So if you all have liked my looks, make sure you all subscribe to my channel and you all leave your comments, like it, and hit the bell icon so that you all don't miss any of my latest vlogs which are gonna come up, and like really interesting ones. So my next vlog I'm still working up is on my Indian look, which I picked up for Diwali, especially for Diwali, which I'm also going to show you all, and from where I've picked that also I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to give you all a small tour of the place so that you all can see, and if you all wish to buy something from there, you all can go and buy. It's a new place, and like I've been really happy that I can help someone and bring a smile on someone's face by picking up a few things from that shop, and you know, she was a beautiful lady. So I will not talk much about her in this vlog, and I'll make you all watch my next vlog. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you all liked my video and you all enjoyed it. So please support and be with me and watch all of my vlogs and give lots of your love. So till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all.